It's really, really nice to be here. This is a special destination for me because I've always been really interested in Malaysia. I've never been here. Very fond of the wildlife here. So I've been sort of studying the wildlife of Malaysia for a long time.
In this room, the wildlife.
In this room, yeah. Yeah, big handy, yes. Yeah. So it's an honor to be here, and I'm looking forward to playing tomorrow and like that. I've never played myself. It's too surreal for me to actually, play my own characters. It's weird. I think the pivotal moment was somewhere around the 10th or 11th grade when all my friends started calling me Slash, and nobody called me Saul anymore. It was a nickname that just sort of stuck. My mom tried to make me take piano lessons. And I played the recorder in grade school. I started out as my whole family are painters and illustrators. So that was the one thing I knew how to do naturally. So I will probably be doing that. You never know. We don't have any plans to tour together as of right this moment, but that could happen. I have this one, which is my main one, and then I have like 5 or 6 that people have given me over time that I just never got rid of, that just sit in the closet. I've had a lot of years of doing this, and I've seen a lot of crazy stuff, so it's hard for me to really think of anything. I mean, it's pretty well known that I had a guy jump up on stage and rush me in Italy just a month ago or so. And that was a little bit nuts, but I've had a lot of that over the years, so you can sort of imagine. I think it was just to make a good record on my own and just enjoy being creative without working with 4 other guys and a manager and a record company and all that kind of stuff. And that was basically it. And then just put it out, and if people like it, they like it, and then we go out and do a tour and just have a good time. I started out listening to the guys who I still listen to, which was like Keith Richards and Mick Taylor from the Stones and Jimmy Page and Jimi Hendrix and Jeff Beck and Eric Clapton and Ray Davies, Billy Gibbons, Joe Walsh, the Aerosmith guys, AC/DC guys, the guys from Thin Lizzy. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. Anybody that was any good before me, put it that way.